go. The Black Widow, Robert Shook behind the wheel. Guys, this is a hot rod truck. He already turned it over. He checked the oil in it, flipped it over, fired it up, drove it back to the trailer, took the door off of it, said, let's go racing. Huh? The body to the roll cage, that's right. The body was hanging off, they just zip tied it to the roll cage, said, let's go. So here we go, Robert Shook and the Black Widow. This is a fast truck right here, guys, I'm just telling you. This truck will run. Clear, we're clear. Top end is clear. Robert Shook, the Black Widow, ready to go. 4.712 for Robert Shook.